any bad words in this. Oh, sorry guys. I thought she pressed the wrong button. So when you press pause, it gives you lines. So first we have this one. Like I said, get the alphabet. Drop it right in there. So it's time for this real blue that has glitter on the bottom with fogies on the top. Face review on my face. Show my face review. That's so cute. That's what my mom calls me all the time. Now it's time for
That's the iceberg slime, huh?
yeah. Woo! I wanted to get on mommy's bed. Shiny that one is. I can.
It smells good too.
Yes.
The shades are. It's really, really shiny.
Okay, that's another thing. Oh, here's the super duper sticky one.
Oh no! I love this one.
Now it's time for the super duper sticky one.
That one's pretty though. Has like that pearl shine on it. If you need an activator, it's in that. Yeah. Oh my god, Jason.
Sorry, guys.
Let me pour it in there.
It's okay.
Okay, you guys, we're not mixing it in yet. I'm just trying to get it off my hands. So, ooh, there's a lot of glitter on the bottom. Get all the glitter off the bottom. You guys can see that. There we go. Then I had to get this.
Yeah. We have,
This one has beads in it, but it's okay if I throw in the beads. It's fine. You guys can see a lot of beads on the top.
you gotta believe.
Guys.
Well, I'm calling up the lady.
Whoa.
Anyways, I want to throw this one away because it's overactivated.
I have nothing
It's
to do.
What
overactivated.
was that?
Bananas. Yum. I'm gonna...
Pick it all up. Hurry, 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 hurry. That one's upside down. That one.
Okay, so we're okay, guys. Don't worry. No, where'd Yum go? I need that. Shoot. Sorry, guys. It's okay if I don't have
That
my
one is really overactivated.
Oh, this is my yum. I need my banana, but I'll throw them away. It's okay. So that was all of them. Now it's time to mix. Hope you liked our other videos that I posted. Probably gonna make like a magenta blue. So this is a cool one because it's so shimmery and stuff. You guys can see my pants.
Here, can I work on it?
There's my mommy. I never realized how shiny my mommy's face is.
She was only 22 years old. You know, 22 in the world is kind of common.
Hey, y'all. What I miss?
I'm not a baby, actually. I'm just kidding.
Jason in Silky Stackhouse.
No, this can be 8 minutes.
Well, he did it.
So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye, guys. Like I said in the other videos, do that, do that, do that, do that. Bye, guys. Say bye, Mommy. Don't do the middle finger.
No need to apologize.
Okay, good.
Excited.